And when the holidays roll around, the museum decks their halls with more than just boughs of holly.
This is our unique holiday tree, and it's covered in unique origami ornaments. Many of the ornaments are fashioned after objects found in nature, such as several different types of dinosaurs, butterflies, anything you can name, we have it. This is a tradition, the traditional tree that we have every year. We had an origami reception Tuesday night where visitors got to learn origami. They had hands-on experience with the experts.
Visitors are encouraged to experiment with their own origami creations, while the museum also focuses on the less fortunate during the holiday season.
This year, the museum is participating in the North Texas Food Bank Drive. Visitors coming to the museum bringing in a can of food will receive $1 off of their admission. This allows visitors to give back to the community.